Welcome to the last part of the rock paper scissors project, guys. So in this, till now we had done for a predefined 3 rounds. So every time we had done it only for 3 rounds. Now this time we'll give the option to the user to select the number of rounds. If he wants to play 5 rounds or 6 rounds, 7 rounds, we'll give the choice to the user. So let's see what we have to do in this. I'm just searching where the exact part is, so I'll just explain that part. Okay. Yeah. So you can see in the main function here, we are prompting the user to enter the number of rounds he wants to play. We ask how many rounds do you want to play. So the user says basically the variable is rounds, and the user enters the rounds, number of rounds. Now here we had while n is greater less than 3 till now, because 0, 1 and 2 rounds. Now here we'll be having n is less than number of rounds. So if the user enters 5 rounds, then we'll have total 5 rounds in play. That is n is less than 5. So from 0 to 4 we have 5 rounds. So yeah, I mean all the other things we had already previously discussed in all the previous videos. So you can, if you have any doubts, you can go there and check and yeah, just sort it out. Now let me run the program and show it to you. Logic behind all the programs we have discussed there. Okay, so it still says the game is best out of 3. So it is asking me how many rounds do you want to play. I'll say I want to play 7 rounds this time. So round 1, I enter rock. Computer enters scissors. I win this round. Second round, I enter rock. I'll keep on entering rock this time. Let's see what happens. Round 6. So I'll just see who all won till now. First round, I won. Second round was a tie. Third round was a tie. Fourth round, computer won. Fifth round was a tie. Sixth round, it's a tie. So whoever wins this round is the ultimate winner. So this time I'll enter paper. Okay, the computer has also entered paper, so it's a tie. Basically, I got 1, computer got 1 point, and all the others are a tie. So yeah, I hope you guys have understood this project. That's it for this video and this project as well. I'll submit the program. So this was quite simple, a C++ project on rock paper scissors project. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video and this project as well. I'll see you in the next project. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.